We'll guide you through how to make coloring page with Inkscape. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Inkscape on your computer. Create a new document. Set the page size to A4 as recommended. Go to the File menu. Click Import to bring in your reference image. Choose the desired image file and place it on the canvas. Lower the image opacity so it becomes easier to trace over. Lock the image layer to prevent accidental movement. Create a new layer specifically for drawing. Select the Bezier tool from the toolbar. Start tracing the main outlines of the image. Follow the shapes carefully and maintain accuracy. Use simple and clean lines instead of overly complex paths. Close each path properly to form complete shapes. Switch to the node tool to refine your work. Adjust curves smoothly by moving nodes and handles. Fix any uneven or jagged lines that appear. Keep all lines bold and clear for better visibility. Remove unnecessary details to simplify the design. Set the fill option to none so only outlines remain. Add a black stroke color to the paths. Increase the stroke width until the lines are clearly visible. Ensure all lines are continuous without gaps or breaks. Delete or hide the reference image once tracing is complete. Check the overall drawing for consistency and balance. Clean up extra nodes if needed to improve smoothness. Save the file as an SVG format for future editing. Go to the File Export option to prepare the final output. Save the design as a PNG file for printing or sharing purposes. Make sure the export settings match your desired resolution and page dimensions. Adjust the DPI value if you need higher quality output. Confirm that the export area is set to the page or drawing depending on your needs. Click the Export button and wait for the process to finish. Review the exported PNG file to ensure that all lines appear sharp and clean. Once everything looks correct, your drawing is ready to be used for coloring pages or other creative projects.